Hello friends, welcome to my new video on neutral link. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer the following questions. What is a neutral link? What is the neutral link bus bar? What is the use of neutral link? Why it is provided as a link? And where can we find neutral link in a circuit? Neutral link. Neutral links are small pieces of metal that act as the terminal in a circuit. Neutral links are the terminating point of neutral wires in an electrical system. And the potential or voltage at the point of the neutral link is zero, though they do still carry current. The current simply goes through the neutral link and then back to the source. So in this case is shown the basic neutral link where you can connect the incoming and outgoing cable, and it can be removed using this by moving this bolt. Neutral links form an essential part of a proper wiring system, and neutral links are assembled with a screw as shown in the figure. And the neutral links may vary depending on the number of neutral wires that need to be terminated and the material they are made from. And here it is shown a neutral bar where you can connect many wires. So a neutral link used to terminate more than one wire or circuit may be called a neutral bar. And the neutral link tend to be made of aluminium, though in some countries brass neutral links are common. And the bar connects to the main service neutral and returns the current back to the electric utility. In many service panels, the neutral bus bar also serves as the grounding bus bar and is where the individual bare copper circuit ground wires are terminated. And the use of neutral link. Neutral does not require automatic isolation because in a distribution board the phase line is provided with a fuse and neutral is provided with a link. The fuse serves two purposes. That one is the automatic isolation of one side of the circuit in the case of any fault, and manual isolation of the circuit for maintenance jobs in the outgoing circuit. As a neutral does not require any automatic isolation once the fuse is already there in the circuit for this purpose, hence all it needs is a provision for manual isolation when doing maintenance job. Hence a removable conductor link is provided as neutral. So that is a main use of a neutral link. And why it is provided as a link. So before going into that, let us see what will happen if it is provided as a fuse. If it is provided as a fuse, what happens is that in some cases the fuse may burn, the fuse in the neutral path. Then what will happen? The live conductor will be carrying current, but the fuse in the neutral is gone. The operator or the user may think that there is no supply in the circuit and he may accidentally touch or even may get shock. So unsafe operating condition occurs. So to prevent this, the neutral should always remain connected in the circuit for safety of the user. So to make sure that the link is always there, it is made as a very strong link or strong connection. Now let us see how it is placed in a panel box. This is a basic wiring diagram where we are having a DP switch, MCB, and sub-circuits are connected with separate MCBs. So for the separate MCBs, that is for separate sub-circuit, we will require separate neutral links. So that is provided with this neutral bus bar where you can insert the separate links. And this is shown in the panel board like this, and this is something the neutral link. Earth connection is always also provided similar to the neutral link connection. So basically the neutral link can be open when we are doing some maintenance work, because when doing maintenance work the neutral may also have potential if the earthing in system is not proper. So to ensure safety we are opening the neutral link and we are removing that particular sub circuit where you are doing some maintenance job. So that is the main purpose of neutral link, and this is the case of a three-phase distribution system. So here three phases are there shown with the blue, yellow and red, and in each cases there are separate MCBs, and also for those MCBs we are having separate neutral link connections. Okay, that is all for this lecture. If you like the video, do subscribe.